Saina Nehewal ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. And respected Kiran Bedi ma'am, uh, and ma'am, sir, thank you so much for having me here this year also. And congratulations to India Talent Olympiad for the second year. And I think last year एक छोटे से रूम में था, and this year it's in the huge stadium. And I hope next year और भी बड़े stadium में हो सके. I wish you all the best for that. I think to become the best is not easy when you want to start your career early. You know, when I started playing at the age of 9, it was all about पापा की तरह साइंटिस्ट बनना है या कुछ पढ़ाई में जाना है. But my mom, you know, she's a housewife और वाइफ के आगे हस्बैंड तो बोल नहीं सकते शायद. I have seen that. आज तक पापा ने मुंह नहीं खोला है उनके सामने. तो शी वॉज द वन हु वाज लाइक नहीं, मुझे अपने बच्चे को ओलंपिक्स में कुछ मेडल जीत के आए तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. एंड दैट वाज अ ड्रीम ऑफ हर्स एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम बिकॉज आई वाज ओनली 9. बट येस, वन गुड क्वालिटी आई हैड वाज वर्किंग हार्ड एंड आई शू लव प्लेइंग ऑल काइंड ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स. बट इट वॉज नॉट, आई डिडंट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ इंटेंशन कि मुझे प्रोफेशनली ये स्पोर्ट लेना है. इट वॉज ऑल अबाउट प्लेइंग विद फ्रेंड्स आफ्टर स्कूलिंग एंड मे बी जस्ट फॉर सम टाइम पास. But I didn't know my destiny will take me to Hyderabad from Haryana. You know, Haryana में club में खेलते थे मेरे parents and I used to be like I'll play any sport but not badminton because they used to play it. तो मुझे नहीं खेलना है तो I should run away from there. But when we moved to Hyderabad, you know, I used to fight with my father saying that my friends are here, I don't want to go. But he's like नहीं बेटा चलना पड़ेगा, मेरा job है, we have to go. Then it's fine. Then journey starts and we moved to Hyderabad. And then I was requesting him that you know, I want to play some kind of sport after school, and he was like karate chal raha hai next to our house, please go and do that. I'm like sport mila to bhi itna tough, you know, jo yahan pe ladai karni padegi. And I used to love competing with boys, so unko marna aur bhi अच्छा लगता था मुझे at that point of time. But yeah, you know, 1 year was really tough. I got brown belt in karate. You know, I was only 8 then, and the coaches used to make us do all difficult stunts, you know, jumping on the stomach and make you strong basically. So I was like, Papa, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, it's really difficult for me. And the coaches used to say that एक और बेल्ट रह गया है, please आओ कर लो, खत्म कर लो. And I was like, नहीं sir, नहीं होगा, please. And that's when, you know, one of my father's friend was like, badminton is quite popular in Hyderabad. Why she doesn't try that? You know, she should go there. And I was like, यार फिर से badminton. But it was quite popular. I was like, let us see, summer camp है, काफी बच्चे रहेंगे. So before schooling, you know, I can go there, and after that also maybe if I get selected, I can go back again and have some good time. But I didn't know it will become a part of my life, and someone is taking so seriously about my career from the day one. Initially, the coach was like, "हम select नहीं करेंगे because you are late." But you know, my father was like, you know, just see if she is good enough. Please take her in this summer camp because she keeps asking, "Papa, कोई sport खेलना है." And the coach was quite kind enough for letting me play one shot, and that shot was a smash, which I was also surprised because beginners don't hit smash initially, they come with the tossing or a drop quality, but mera smash tha, and it was all because I used to watch them play. I never held the racket before that, but it was so special that I could learn so much only by watching. So the coach was so impressed. And he was like, नहीं इसको तो लेके आओ, she's quite talented, you know. And then the journey started. 1 month of summer camp. Loved the training. I used to train for like 2 hours, and slowly it became 3 hours. Slowly it became 4 hours. And the summer camp just went on, and finally the tournament came for the championship. You know, if you win it, you will get selected for the regulars. Otherwise, you come next year and try again. And luckily, you know, the girl who beat me in the finals had to go back to Nagpur for studies, and that's how I got into the regulars. So it was a quite dramatic start. And yeah, then there was no looking back. You know, my mom, my coaches, they were so happy with my you know, hard work. They were like, Saina just wants to compete and she wants to do well. She's just thinking about herself. and she just doesn't care about कौन क्या बोल रहा है, you know, she's so focused. So that is the attitude actually nowadays I want the kids to have. You know, I feel obviously phone का ज़माना है, it has to be phone का ज़माना because there's everything in phone. But I feel that the times phone को दिया जा रहा है, it has to be little limited, and then a lot of ground activities should be done, whether it's with friends or या अकेले अगर आप में इंटरेस्ट है तो आप जाके रनिंग या कोई ऐसा स्पोर्ट खेलिए जो आपको अच्छा लगे. द टाइम इफ़ यू स्टार्ट लाइक दैट अर्ली ऑन, इट विल रियली हेल्प यू गो लॉन्ग वे. क्योंकि आजकल के बच्चे, मेरी नीस ही है, वो 12 साल की 13 साल की है, बोलती है दीदी मुझे नी पेन आ रहा है. इमेजिन, जस्ट एक राउंड नहीं हो रहा है आजकल के बच्चों को अंदर से एक नी पेन आ रहा है. आजकल क्या, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नी पेन यू हैव? So she's like, नहीं just दर्द हो रहा है. So there's a lot of reasons you can say and escape it, but I think it's important for parents to be little strict. Friends बनो, जरूर बनो, but I think initial years में आप parents ही रहो, strict रहो. Otherwise there is difficulty I think later on, because I see that in a lot of mummies nowadays. मम्मी बोलती हैं ये बच्चा सुनता ही नहीं है. तो मैंने कहा obviously आप friend बनेंगे तो क्यों सुनेगा? And I may sound harsh, but it is the way it is. If you want to see your child as world number 1 or Olympic champion, कैसे होगा वो? It's going to be only when you are strict with them initially. I started at the age of 9, but if you see Chinese, Korean, Japanese, they start at the age of 3, 4. तो वो तो और भी strict हो गया है. नहीं हम बोलेंगे बहुत गलत बात है, torture में है. Then the torture तो आर्मी वाले भी सह रहे हैं. And all of us wants to be in army, navy. कंट्री के लिए लड़ना है तो इतना सेक्रीफाइस तो करना ही पड़ेगा. तो अगर हम उसका सोच रहे हैं तो स्पोर्ट्स में तो आई थिंक उससे नीचे ही है स्पोर्ट्स में थोड़ा. बट या यू हैव टू पुश योरसेल्फ फिजिकली एवरी डे फॉर 9 to 10 hours. इट्स नॉट ईजी. आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट. टेलिंग इज ईजी बट डूइंग इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बट अगर आप पेरेंट्स में से एक पेरेंट कोई पागल है तो जरूर करवा देगा. पागल होना पड़ता है टू बी एनीथिंग इन लाइफ. इट्स ईजी टू से कि मैंने अचीव कर लिया, बट कैसे किया वो रियल स्टोरी बाहर आती नहीं है. समटाइम्स जैसे कि हाँ मैंने अचीव कर लिया, आई हैव रीच्ड दैट पोजीशन, बट हाउ? व्हेन समवन इज स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड यू, योर मॉम इज, योर कोच इज स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड यू, मतलब आप जब प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं कोर्ट के पीछे खड़े हैं, एंड देन वन स्मॉल मिस्टेक दे आर देयर टू स्कोल्ड यू, हिट यू विद द रैकेट. दैट्स हाउ द things should be, you know. Now with experience I feel ऐसा होना चाहिए. Yes, at that point of time I used to cry, I used to shout back, क्यों कर रहे हो मेरे साथ ऐसा, I don't want to play. But then they used to always tell